So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and basically make you're trying to make a public profile on Snapchat. So all you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your Snapchat application, just like this. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to go and click on your Bitmoji that's in the top left corner. So go and tap on your top left corner right up here, and then you'll come into this page. Now, if you scroll down, there should be a little option that should say public profile. So you might be able to see it down here. You can also go and click on create public profile if you see an option down here. So there might be an option down here for you to go and create a public profile down in this page. Now you might want to double check that you don't already have a public profile because you might already have one. So in this case, all you're going to have to do is you want to go ahead and find your public profile option. So in this case, you can see I have public profile right here. If I go and tap on it, you can see I do have a public profile already on Snapchat. So I can go through here, I can go and scroll through, I can see what other types of things that I have here as well. So I can go through and kind of modify those. But for the most part, in order for you to create a public profile, you have to remember that your account has to be in good standing. You have to be, I think, over 18 years old. And then from there, you can click down here, find your public profile option, and go and create it from there. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.